Today we're going to show you how to use a chemical hopper on Goldacres sprayers equipped with the G-hub system. So first we need to drop the hopper down. It's as simple as removing the safety pin, pulling on this lever here towards you while holding the hopper and gently lowering it. So your hopper is equipped with a washdown gun. This runs off a 12-volt pump from the rinse tank. So to turn that on, we just turn this switch on here and then we squirt. So there's several devices built into this hopper. So we have a drum rinse nozzle here. Now that's supplied by the onboard fill pump. So this will only work when you are filling with fresh water from the onboard hydraulic drive fill pump. You also have a rinse nozzle in the tank that's activated by this tap here. Like the drum rinse nozzle, this will only operate while your onboard fill pump is running and inducting fresh water. So to turn our chem hopper on, we go over to the G-hub screen. We need our product pump running, so we turn that on here. You'll notice the engine RPM will automatically raise. Now we have pump pressure, we have pump speed. So to activate the hopper, we press the hopper button. Now if you want to fill with water as well, to mix with the chemical product that you're putting in, we use this tap here. This water is being fed from your main spray pump, so keep in mind that if you have chemical in your tank, that this water will contain chemical. You have a stainless volume indicator here with increments, which you can use as a guide for measuring chemical into the hopper. Now to induct your chemical in the hopper into the main tank, you simply use this foot valve here and you push down gently to induct the chemical. Keep in mind not to put too much pressure on the foot valve, as you could cause it damage. You'll notice there's a breather in the lid of the hopper. This is so it makes it possible to have chemical and be inducting it into the tank while having the lid shut. If we didn't have the breather there, the tank would suck in. Once you put your hopper back into place to transport, always remember to put the safety pin in. Another function of this chemical hopper is you can use it as a suction code. So with our hopper still activated on our G-hub control panel, we simply connect our chemical probe to this fitting here, and then we turn this tap on here. That will suck chemical in from a shuttle or a drum straight up into the tank using the hopper venturi. Once finished, always remember to turn the hopper off on the G-hub control panel. So this is fresh fill water supplied at fill pump pressure. You can also use this by connecting a hose from here to the hand wash tank. You can use this to fill your hand wash tank. The alternative way of filling your hand wash tank is with a hose up through the top filler cap.